Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on replacing the motor, blade, and panel of your Thermomix TM31. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You will also need a clean cloth for internal cleaning and some isopropyl alcohol for sanitizing the components. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 from the mains to ensure safety. Start by removing the bowl from the base. To do this, simply twist it counterclockwise until it releases. Next, we will focus on the blade assembly. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off the blade cover. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the cover is off, you will see the blade secured by a central screw. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove this screw. Keep it in a safe place as you will need it later. After removing the screw, gently lift the blade out of the bowl. This is a good time to clean the area thoroughly. Use your cloth and isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the inside of the bowl, ensuring there are no food residues left. Now let's move on to the motor replacement. To access the motor, you will need to remove the base of the Thermomix. This involves unscrewing several screws located at the bottom. Use your spanner to carefully remove these screws. Once they are out, gently lift the base off. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the motor. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in identifying any issues with your Thermomix. Now back to the motor. Disconnect the wires carefully, noting their positions for reassembly. Once disconnected, you can remove the motor from its housing. Replace the old motor with the new one, ensuring that all connections are secure. Reconnect the wires as per your notes. If you're unsure, our service includes collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your appliance serviced without any hassle. After replacing the motor, it's time to reassemble the base. Align it carefully and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight to avoid any rattling during operation. Now let's reattach the blade. Place it back into the bowl and secure it with the central screw. Don't forget to replace the blade cover as well. Finally, before you plug your Thermomix back in, give it one last clean. Wipe down the exterior and ensure that all components are properly fitted. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Once everything is clean and secure, plug your Thermomix TM31 back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motor, blade, and panel. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.